This is money tic-tac-toe. So I know that these papers are double-sided, and so you are probably not able to cut out your money like I have done here, is cut out those little money cards. On mine, it's on the back of this paper, which is excessively unhelpful. What you can do is on a separate piece of paper, you can write out the answers, or you can write out the amount of money that you have. So on this first card here, I have 2 dimes. So I'm just gonna put a D and a D, and then I have a nickel. And I can cut this out and make that a card. And then I have 4 nickels, so I'm gonna write 4 N's. And I could cut this out and make a card, and that's how you can make your own money cards. And I'm also going to need to remember that a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a penny is worth 1 cent. And that's what we're working with today, is nickels, dimes, and pennies. So if you are able to make your own money cards, that would be the best way to do this, because you have to be able to see the money in order to do the tic-tac-toe, the amounts. So if you already solved them and then you're just calling amounts, it's not as fun. You actually need to be solving while you're playing. So I just cut the top off of mine, because I didn't need the top. But so this is your tic-tac-toe board. If you're playing with 2 people, each person is going to need some kind of way to mark the board, like a pencil or a pen. And if you are playing by yourself, that's also fine. You're just going to cover the board once you find the amounts. So I'm gonna play by myself, and I'm gonna show you that way. If you're playing with a partner, I will also quickly go over that at the end. So the way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to just grab a random money card, and I'm going to figure out how much money this is worth. So I know that these are worth 10, so I'm gonna count by 10, 10, 20, 30, and 1. So this is worth 31, and I'm gonna look at my board and see if I have 31. I don't, so it's not, so I have to pick up another card. I'm gonna pick up this card. These are worth 10s, 10, 20. I'm gonna see if I have 20. I do, so I'm just gonna put that right over that. Same thing as if you're working with this, I would just pick up this card right here, and I would say, okay, I'll remember that dimes are worth 10, so 10, 20, and a nickel's worth 5, so that's 25. Once I cut that out, I see I have 25 here, and I'm just gonna cover it like that with that. And the idea is you're trying to get tic-tac-toe. I'm sure you've all played tic-tac-toe, so you want 3 in a row, either down, across this way, or in a diagonal. If you are playing with a partner, you're going to take turns. So if it was my turn first, I had this card 31, and none of these say 31, then I've lost my turn basically. And then it's so I was O, my partner goes, she's X, she says, oh, this is 20 cents and 20 is here. So she's gonna put an X there. So she gets to mark the board, I don't. So then I'm gonna go, this is 7 cents. Oh, and there is 7 cents here. So I'm gonna put an O there. Then X gets to go, X gets this one, that's 25 we talked about. So X gets to go again, but X, you have to go on the spot that you found. So maybe the next one, 4 nickels, that's 20 cents. Oh, so I also get an O here. So now this could be an X or an O spot, so I'm starting a line. If I get 23 cents, if I find the 23 cents, I win. But X also can use this as a spot. They can go across with it. So that is how you play the money